The 91 car to Streeter, Illinois, that is Jeff Wakeman. This will be the first heat for the Big 8 late models here at the Rockford Speedway. As the car corner pace truck is going to bring them around. Nice looking Ford, 2019. So drivers here make their home tracks. One guy's home track is Lacrosse. So Jerry Miller going to wind them up, bring the group around. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag and we're racing. Up to the races we go for the Big 8s. And it's going to be Van Oske to try to pull away from Miller. Tom Guiley's going to try to go with. He does. Van Oske out in the front all by himself. Guiley's going right with him. Guiley a fast car. And it's going to be DJ Smith, the fast timer, to try to squeeze around Jerry Miller as well. Nick Egan looking to make his move now. Inside might not be working for Jerry Miller. He may want to try to grab the outside. And now Tom Guiley's looking to challenge Jake Van Oske for the lead. Max Kaler got a little loose there. Max Kaler dropping to the back. Max Kaler decided to go all the way to the back there as maybe he had a miss or something there. Anyways, going around here, it's Van Oske, Guiley, Smith, Egan, Miller. Mike the Meteor got a little loose coming out of 2, followed by Jeff Wakeman and Max Kaler. We got 4 in, 6 to go as the Big 8s are going to run 10 laps. Mike the Meteor Lloyd's got all kinds of problems handling as he looked like he was going to go straight for the walls. Mike Lloyd slowing down, maybe exiting the track. Halfway through for Jake Van Oske in that 84 car as the 0 Mike Lloyd is exiting the track. So we'll see if Tom Guiley's got something for Van Oske. But I hope Tom Guiley's watching his back bumper because DJ Smith is right there. We'll see what Nick Egan's going to do. Nick Egan looking to challenge the fast qualifier in that 13 car, starting to look to his inside. We'll see if Tom Guiley's just going to kind of hold his spot or if he's going to make a move on Van Oske. And it's Max Kaler to get around Jeff Wakeman now. Tom Guiley starting to come to the inside. We got 8 in, 2 to go, Rockford Speedway. Let's see if Tom Guiley's going to do something here. Whoa, Jerry Miller got a little sideways coming out of 2 in the 49. DJ Smith trying to creep up on Tom Guiley. White flag out for Jake Van Oske. Here comes DJ to try to steal away second place. Jerry Miller almost went up into the wall between 1 and 2. And it looks like it might be Jake Van Oske, and it is. Who's getting second? DJ Smith squeezes by Tom Guiley for second. So Jake Van Oske, DJ Smith, Tom Guiley for third, Nick Egan for fourth, Jerry Miller fifth, Max Kaler sixth, Jeff Wakeman seventh, and the 0 Mike Lloyd having some handling issues, not able to finish that race there. Mike Lloyd going off into the pits there. Hopefully he'll get it figured out. Right now we got to talk about this cool looking number 84. I think he's coming around to get his picture. I don't know. He is not going to get his picture. Okay. Well, he's sponsored by Bunzel's Meat Market.